Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to measure for your outside recess roller blind. First, we're going to measure the width of the recess. Take your measurement and plus at least 100mm to the width. In this case, we're going to plus 150mm. So, we measured a width of 1100mm plus the 150mm added on, which gives us 1250mm. Alternatively, you can measure your windowsill to get a nice, neat finish. In this case, don't plus any amount to the sill width. Now we can measure the drop of the blind. Measure from the top to the bottom of the recess. If you have a windowsill like this one, then add 75mm onto the drop measurement. And if there's no sill, then we'll add 150mm on so the blind can run past the window. So, we measured at 1300mm plus the 75, which equals a 1375mm drop. And that's how to measure for your outside recess roller blind. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.